You see how this oil is smoking hot? Now you're taking it down like this and you're throwing it here. Good day everybody, welcome to Shanty home, the Chulha queen in Siparia. So I'd like everybody to welcome to my kitchen. We're back again. This is Shanty here again. This is my baigan. See, I put some oil on wash. Guys, to keep it steam. So you're going to cut it like this now. And you're going to send in the garlic inside of here now. Enough garlic, so you're not using no other garlic again. The steaming is that is the garlic going and steam in the baigan. So the flavor from the garlic going to come out inside of the balanjan. So this going on the chulha. Straight in the chulha, right? So Shanty not roasting it in the coals today. I'm doing a different one today. I'm doing a steam baigan on top of the fire side, right? So this one going on steam on the fire side. So straight here into there. Right, so that way. Well, when I come back and I check on top, it will be soft. So when I check it there, I just turn it on the next side and it's going to finish roast here now. So when this done roast, this is a nice baigan we get in here now. Right. So that's going to steam there now, and that's going to be properly well good. So we're going to check and see what we're looking at here. Let me check the balanjan. Or let's see how he getting soft. Watch that. Right, so or they don't feel it roasting. It's roasting just as the chulha below. See how we get there? It's roasting everything just as the thing. So one more wrap, and I'm getting back to already just now. Right, this is my pepper here. This is for the baigan, right? So it's going to roast right here. Right there. See how it get brown cook. That's what they call a roast pepper. So it gets soft, so you could intend to pong it. Right. This is the bowl for this here. But now rest this on top of this bowl, right? Just cut them here like a fish. So it's soft and nice, which is wonderful. Alright, today I get a baigan with plenty seed, but that is okay. We are getting good baigan these days. Scraping out all this jelly. Yeah, just the inside of it, I'm taking off the jelly from it. Look at that. See, look at the garlic. Let me show the garlic, you see? How wonderful the garlic is. It doesn't melt, just a pong. See. Right, so nothing coming in that. So nice that is. Oh my God, this is so wonderful. Look at this now. Right, so this one is finished. This is the next one. Well, you see when I put it up right now, the oil is plenty to do with your balanjan. Eh? Oil is to help steam it, but it's not steam alone, it's very roast. I'll show you everything. Anybody could order this from Shanty. Shanty available at any time to make this. Anybody want to come and eat it on spot, eh? Come and eat, right? So this there finished. I'm going to wrap this. To throw this into the bin. Coming back with. Right. So using this now. So you can unpong this now. That is the roast pepper there. Take a look at this here. See that? That's the roast pepper. Fresh, nice baigan. Wow. Right. So you see how wonderful that is? So we're going to put some onion to this. Fresh onion again, eh? Must be fresh onion. So, mix this. Salt to taste. Right. So I'm going to hot oil now, straight from the fire side into the balancha, right? That is my pot there for the oil. So throw in the oil here to get hot. That is for the baigan. See how this oil is smoking hot? Now you're taking it down like this and you're throwing it here. So you're going to mix this until you see nothing like no oil floating inside of there again, right? So you see this is the oil. Let me show you. This is the oil running there. Shanty don't do it like that. Shanty making sure you mustn't see no oil. You must only see the baigan. So you see nothing like whatever here. Look at that. No oil. What I was showing earlier, right? Watch. Simple. The oil must, sometimes you have Baigan Choka in your plate and they drop it so and the oil runs. So no, not with Shanty. Shanty want to give, when she's doing something, she do it good. Look at that. Ready to eat.